In my previous video, I showed you that when you are uploading a digital product or a digital PDF file onto your Teespring store, you have to give it a title and description just like you give it for a YouTube video. But at the same time, just like that you upload a thumbnail for a YouTube video, you have to upload the product images here. You can add up to 4 images. In this case, I have added 2. But what you need to remember is that you don't have to upload the image of your digital product as it is, just like you're seeing right on my screen, because in this case the people will simply download that image and they will not buy it from you. So what you need to do is that you need to create the mock-up of these images, just like this one and also like this one. So in this video I will show you how can you create these mock-up images for your digital files in Canva. This is I suppose not a paid feature, although I'm not very sure because I'm using the Canva Pro version, and any case we'll start the tutorial. So what you need to do is that you need to create a blank image and then go to the elements, and then here you need to search for mockup. Right on the top you will see there is an option of use mockup app. By the way, if this app is paid, then there are other mockups that are free available onto the Canva in the form of frame. You can look for the frames which can tailor your image to an extent where it cannot be used straight away through a download. Anyways, in this video I am using this mockup app, so I'm just going to click this use app and then I'll go to the print, and here you can see that there are different forms of mockup, but since our aim is to create a portrait kind of a mockup, so I'll be searching for the images like this one. So I have selected this. Now I'm going to expand it to my whole canvas or complete page, and now you need to just drag your template or a planner over here right in the center. So I'm just going to go in my upload and I'm going to click this and I'm drag this image up to this frame, and I'm just going to leave. So you will see that it is taking some time, showing a busy icon. So practically it is uploading your planner or a digital file into this image. Let me now show you in a full screen. Now you can see that this image you can upload as a thumbnail for your product, and it will not be used by someone straight away by downloading this image and using it. So I would highly recommend that you use the mockups for your digital file. In any case, if you are into a business of creating and selling digital product, I would highly recommend to check out this Canva. It is free to use. You will be able to start your business through free Canva, but in any case, if you really want to expedite your process of creating digital products and selling quick money, I would suggest you buy the Canva Pro. In any case, thanks for watching.